Very beautiful day, guys. Very calm day. Look, very calm day. High tide, no wind. Very calm day. Very nice day. Very good day to fly my RC plane, especially this one, brushless jet fighter XKA 180 F22 Raptor. So it's very nice day. Very fine day. It's very nice to fly. Only the disadvantage is low tide. You know, when I crash, and hopefully I won't crash. I won't be able to crash. But today is very good day. Look at the leaves. Oh, there's no movement of the leaves, branches, trees. So it's very nice day. Very calm day. So I wanna try this one. Play this, fly my RC plane. So no landing gear because the ground is not ideal for the ground takeoff and the landing. Right, up down for then yan. All right. So very good day. Very nice day. Very nice day. Look at this. Look at the surroundings. So it's very nice day to fly. Only it's high tide, so a bit of disadvantage because sana I won't crash, I won't land in the water. Let's see. Let's see. Am I recording? Yeah. Or much better here. Here. That's why it's very nice today. Just don't crash in the water. Oh. Whew. I love it. Just don't crash in the water. Whew. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Don't crash in the water. It's gonna be a big problem. It's hard to rescue in the water. Too far. Come back. I won't blink if I fly in the water. Dangerous. All right, you come back. I think the kids are still sleeping. That's why they don't notice I'm flying and they don't hear the sound. Because yesterday when I fly, kids are all over me. They come and they swarm me. They were too curious. Ooh. They were too curious about my toy. Yun. Alright. Come on. Come back. Ooh. Very nice. I love it. Very nice.